What's up YouTube, Jeff back again. Today another exciting tech video for you guys. And if you run any kind of business, whether it's a blog, a YouTube channel, an e-commerce store, or just a small membership site, the biggest issue is usually not ideas. You have plenty of those. It's actually going out and executing those ideas. The problem is you have to respond to tons of emails, write captions for your social media, deal with marketing queries, customer queries, and it can all be just a little too much if you're running an online business. Managing those repetitive workflows can slowly eat away at your day, and most creators don't actually need more tools. They need actual help. And that's what led me to partner with Centra AI on today's video. We're going to take a look at the ways that you can use their amazing suite of helpers to get pretty much everything you need done for your online business, or in fact, any business in general. So let's go ahead and jump right in. First, let's talk about what exactly is Centra AI so you guys kind of understand the framework of the video, and then we'll get into more of what each helper can do individually to help your business. Centra AI is built around what they call AI helpers. Instead of being just one generic chatbot, it's structured like a team of virtual AI teammates or employees. Each is designed for a specific role inside your business. The idea isn't just generate text or, give it a specific prompt. It's more like assign tasks to different roles. For instance, social media, customer support, e-commerce, ops, all from one centralized platform. Rather than constantly reprompting a blank AI interface and reinventing the wheel every time, you're working within role-based systems. This framing alone kind of changes how you delegate tasks to AI and also make sure that each of those individual helpers is specifically trained in that niche that you're looking for help on that specific task. Now let's go through and detail what each of these individual helpers within Centra AI can do and what their specialties are. First up, we have Soshi, which helps with social media. One of the helpers I've been experimenting with, and it's designed specifically for social workflows. Things like posting ideas, caption writing, hashtag strategies, engagement prompts, and content planning. Instead of asking a general AI to write me a tweet or write me a Facebook post, you're essentially asking your social media assistant to handle the task with context already built around that role and knowledge of what your business is trying to achieve. You can feed it your niche, your tone, your audience, and it generates structured outputs designed for that specific platform. It's not just about speed, it's about reducing the friction of starting from scratch every time. And I use this for Sammy Guru to plan several of our social posts and improve our engagement on X, Facebook, and over on Threads by crafting some posts that were going to be more engaging, asking for our readers for feedback, and it really did work. Next up is Cassie, which is the helper built around customer support tasks. The second helper that makes a lot of practical sense for most businesses is the customer support assistant Cassie. If you operate any kind of online business, support becomes repetitive very quickly and time-consuming. You answer similar questions over and over, shipping updates, access issues, refunds, and technical clarification. Cassie helps draft replies, build FAQ frameworks and docs, and create reusable response templates. It doesn't replace human judgment, and it shouldn't, but it can dramatically reduce the time you spend typing those same explanations over and over again. This is where I really see the value in Centra AI as a whole. It helps you get things done faster, but still allows you to step in and make those human decisions if and when they are appropriate for your specific business model and niche. Now, I found this customer support bot very useful for managing the Sammy Guru mystery box program. A lot of you guys know that we ship free mystery boxes of accessories for every Samsung launch, and we get a lot of shipping inquiries from people about where's my tracking after launch. We just finished up, the S26 launch and rolling that out. And this is a very helpful platform. Cassie can go out there, build you those templates that gets back information that people need and want and keeps them from, wondering what's going on, being upset with your brand and your business. And I found it was very helpful in managing the mystery box program at Sammy Guru in general. And those aren't the only helpers. Those are just two that I found very useful for my online business with YouTube and Sammy Guru. But there are several other helpers that are built into Centra AI. Centra AI includes over a dozen AI helpers across different business areas. It supports 100+ languages, offers multiple one-click use cases, stores your data securely in the cloud with encryption, which was very, very important for me to see, provides 24/7 support on using the platform, and it includes a very valuable 14-day money-back guarantee. It's powered by advanced AI models, but wrapped inside a structured workflow that feels more like engaging with a digital team than a chatbot that you just have in a window on your desktop. And that's what I like the most, is that these really do feel like teammates that you can delegate tasks to instead of having to start from scratch every time that you open up that chatbot window. Now, I do want to set expectations clearly because no AI platform or agent can be a magic button, and I think we all know that here in 2026. No AI platform produces flawless output without editing or human oversight. You still need to guide it, refine it, and apply judgment, and more importantly, give it data and information about your business and niche in order for it to be useful. But if your goal is to remove those repetitive tasks and all of those things that you're doing that are taking up too much time so that you can do more important things as the administrator or owner of your business, then Centra AI is definitely a good fit for you. Centra AI seems to be a perfect fit for solo creators, those who are running lean operations or scaling an online business, especially in e-commerce, without hiring a full-time team. Sintra AI essentially acts as an AI operations layer that helps you move faster without having to invest too much money right at the beginning as you're starting up your business into human resources. If you'd like to try Centra AI for yourself and your business, you can visit centra.ai/Jeff Springer. You guys will be able to get a discount with this code as well. Just make sure you use code Jeff Springer, that's my first and last name all together, at checkout to get an exclusive limited time 72% discount on all of their plans. Again, use code Jeff Springer, all one word, for 72% off of plans. And again, they also offer a 14-day money-back guarantee, so you can try Centra AI essentially risk-free, because if you don't like it, it's not working for you, you've got that 14-day money-back guarantee and you won't be out any money at all. Huge thanks to Centra AI for sponsoring this video. Really enjoyed using it. I think this does help me manage a lot of my tasks, especially on the website at Sammy Guru that I do on a daily basis that take up hours. So if you're saving those hours, it's definitely worth, a monthly fee. You're spending a few bucks to basically save hours and hours of time, which I think is a huge win. Appreciate you guys checking it out. If you have any questions about Centra AI, drop them in the comments below. I'll be happy to get back to you guys. Appreciate you checking it out, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.